Electronic product download, usually referred to as EPD, is BMC Software's method of making product installation media available to customers. Before you can access EPD, you must register at BMC Support Central and configure your support ID. This video will assume that this preparation has already taken place. To access EPD, starting from the main BMC website, www.bmc.com, select Support and then Downloads. You'll be presented with the Export Compliance and Access page. You need to fill in a few details and refuse some important information. If you are happy to agree to the Export Compliance Statement and Product Access terms, you can then click Continue. Next, you'll be presented with the Profile Management page where you can configure support IDs and platforms. Note, only products and platforms associated with the support ID and install platforms selected here will be displayed on the main EPD pages. On subsequent access to EPD, if you have selected the Remember option, the Export Compliance and Access page will already be filled in and the Profile Management page will be skipped. Once you've made any changes you require to your profile, click on Save Profile and then click on License Products to take you to the main EPD page. Here I have logged on with an ID that has access to all BMC products, and as you can see there are 30 pages. But what I want are the files for the current release of BMC Server Automation. To help locate the product installation files that I need, I can filter in several different ways. BMC Server Automation is part of the BladeLogic family, so I can unselect all product categories and select only BladeLogic. Now, when I click Go, the product list is refreshed to show all the products in the BladeLogic category, and instead of 30 pages, I only have 2 pages. Another option is to filter products by entering a partial name. For example, Server Automation. And now I can click Go, and products containing that partial name will be displayed. Notice that some of the products have a yellow star next to them. These are the ones that I have marked as a favourite by clicking on the white star. I can use the Show Favourites button to return this custom list of only my favourites. Now that I've located BMC Server Automation, I'm ready to start the actual download. I'm presented with the page of links to the documents. I need to select the Products tab for the base product or the Patches tab for any files to update from the base release. For BMC Server Automation, the patch files are complete installers. There are multiple options for downloading. I can click a file name and the browser default action for the file type will begin, or I can select the list of files that I need and click Download Manager. The first time I do this, I'm prompted to install a Download Manager plugin that enables download of multiple files as well as a pause and resume functionality option. This method is usually the fastest and most reliable, as a checksum is automatically used to verify the file integrity after the download is complete. The final option is that I can select all the files I need and click Download FTP. The files will be transferred to an FTP directory and I will be sent an email with the access details. Note, for documentation purposes, I can export the details to a comma-separated variables file. Thank you for watching this short introduction video to the BMC electronic product download facility. I hope that you found it useful.